Hi, this is Rian from the Must Be Noob. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to install Windows 11 on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Before we begin, let's go over the prerequisites. To install Windows 11 in Oracle VirtualBox, you'll need Oracle VirtualBox installed on your physical system, VirtualBox extension pack installed for additional features, hardware virtualization enabled on your physical system's BIOS, and a Windows 11 ISO image file. You also need at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage allocated for the virtual machine. First, if you haven't already installed Oracle VirtualBox, go to the official Oracle VirtualBox website and download the installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete this setup. Download the extension pack from the same page where you got the VirtualBox. Then install it by selecting the downloaded file and clicking Install. Watch the first video in the playlist to learn how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox and the extension pack on a Windows 10 computer. In that video, we also downloaded the Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation ISO image from Microsoft official website. Now that the prerequisites are taken care of, let's create the virtual machine. Click on Start menu and open the Oracle VirtualBox. Click New to start the VM creation process. Name your virtual machine and select the location where you want to store the virtual machine files. Select Microsoft Windows as the operating system type and choose Windows 11 64-bit as the version. Next, we need to allocate RAM. Expand hardware. For Windows 11, a minimum of 4 GB is recommended, but if your system allows, you can allocate more. For this demo, we'll allocate 4 GB. Next, select the number of CPU cores for this virtual machine. For this demo, we will allocate 4 CPU cores. Make sure Enable EFI checkbox is selected for EFI installation. Expand hard disk. Make sure you have selected Create a virtual hard disk now option. Set the virtual disk size to at least 64 GB for Windows 11. I'll set the virtual disk size to 128 GB. Click Finish to create a virtual machine for Windows 11. Make sure that you have downloaded the Windows 11 Evaluation ISO image from Microsoft website. Now, we will attach the Windows 11 ISO image to this virtual machine. With your new VM selected, click Settings and go to the Storage tab. Under Controller SATA, click the empty disk icon, then click the disk icon on the right side and select Choose a disk file. Navigate to where your Windows 11 ISO file is located. In our example, the ISO image file is stored under the Downloads directory. Let me select the Windows 11 ISO image. Click Open. The ISO image is now mounted to this virtual machine. Once everything is configured, click OK to save the settings. Now it's time to start the virtual machine by selecting it and clicking Start. Let me maximize the virtual machine. Press any key from your keyboard to boot from the attached ISO image. Click Next to accept the default values for the language to install time and currency format. Again click Next to accept the default value for keyboard or input method. Under Select Setup option, we have two options to choose from. The first option for Windows 11 installation and the second option to repair your existing Windows 11 installation. Since we are going for the clean installation of Windows 11, we have to select the first radio button, Install Windows 11. After that, you have to select this checkbox. Click Next to continue. Now select the image you want to install. In this example, we are going to install Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC Evaluation image. After selecting that image, click Next. Then we have to accept the license agreement by clicking on Accept. This page will ask you where do you want to install the Windows 11. Select the virtual hard disk we created earlier and click Next. We are going to install Windows 11 Enterprise LTSC Evaluation image in this virtual machine. Click on Install to begin the installation process. The Installing Windows page appears as the system starts the installation of Windows 11. This may take a while, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, your virtual machine will reboot and the out-of-box experience setup process will continue. After the restart, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Windows 11 environment, including setting up a user account, privacy settings, and network configuration. Select your region setting after the installation on the first page of the out-of-box experience. After selecting the country or region, click on Yes. Select your keyboard layout settings and click on Yes. Click the Skip button if you don't require configuring a second layout. I haven't connected this virtual machine with the internet, so I'm going to click on I don't have internet. Enter the name of the user who's going to use this computer. Let me type Rian. Click Next. Set up the password to protect that user account. Since this is a virtual machine, I'm not going to set up the password for this user account. Click Next. Confirm the privacy settings that best suit your situations by turning on or off the toggle switch for each settings. Click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Click the Accept button. And there you go. You have successfully installed Windows 11 in Oracle VirtualBox. Now you can start using Windows 11 on a virtual machine for testing, development, or learning purposes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos like this. See you all in the next one.